Hello, this is Chad with Syncfusion, and a customer has a question about our React Word Processor. So let's take a look. And here's the actual question. They just want to be able to export comments from any Word document. So let me show you how we do that. Here's a sample we sent, and let's go ahead and open this. Let's go ahead and run this. Open it up real quick. And there we go. So this is the default document for the sample. And the default document is protected. If the document is protected, you're going to get the restrict editing toolbar to appear, or panel to appear rather. So I'm going to do a couple things. I'm going to open up another document. This document here, getting started. This document I opened on my machine and I added some comments via MS Word. So you're going to see some comments there from me instead of from Nancy, as it says here. So while that's loading, let's go and take a look at the sample. All right, here's the HTML. Now the JavaScript. This is where everything happens. We are just adding our React control to the app. Then we have this guy here. This is a server-side component. And if you're going to open Microsoft Word files, you have to have this. So if you look in the description for this video, there's going to be a link to that actual project, and there will be a link to that project in a Docker container. So you can use it as you wish. Now, as we go through it here, we're creating the document. This comments panel opens up because we have it set up as true. So show comments true makes this panel open up over here. And then down here in the project, we are actually creating it. A couple things that are important here. One, the current user is Nancy. Right? Nancy is the current user for this web page. So any new comments I'm going to make are going to be by her. And the button click event. This button up here. This button click event here. This button is going to, first thing that's going to happen is we're going to parse the current document into JSON. Then we're going to parse that JSON and we're going to get out all the comments. And then we're going to save those comments to the local machine in this file. Okay, so let's take a look at the document. So here, as you can see that these comments were made by me in Microsoft Word. And there's a couple comments here. If we look, this comment, right, this is a comment, see the little line, and then this comment has a reply. So you can tell the blue line goes all the way down, means this is a reply to. And let's add a new comment by Nancy. All right, and I'm very original in my commenting. So let's download it. Okay, go over to the button, let's run this code. You saw the download go. And let's open the file, here we go. And I've done this before, so there's two of these now. But if we come look at this, let's see if I can zoom in a bit. Look at that. Okay. So here we go. Here's the comments. And if you look, the very top comment is made by Nancy. The author is Nancy. See it right here. All right, she's the author of this first comment. And let's go down to the next comment. And then the next comment as well. So here's a comment by Nancy. Here's a comment by me. And then here's another comment. This one has reply comments. Reply comments are a collection. So this one is empty. This one actually has stuff in it. And that was it. It was just that easy. We answered the customer question. And thank you very much for watching.